Okay, everyone, let's start today's class with this theorem. We are in class 9 theorem we are doing first. Exercise we will do later. Here, theorem number 5. The straight line segments that join the ends of two equal and parallel line segment toward the same side are also equal and parallel. It means if two lines are parallel and equal, if two lines are parallel and equal, suppose this line and next is here. Suppose these two lines are parallel and equal. This is A. Let's write little bit here. Let it be B. AB and CD are two equal and parallel lines. Suppose this AB and CD are equal as well as parallel. Sorry. These two lines are equal as well as parallel. Now we have to prove they are. Now joining them. Now let's join this AC and BD toward the same side. Now we have to prove these two AC and BD are also parallel and equal as well. These two are also parallel and equal, we have to prove. AB and CD are parallel and AB and CD are equal. AB and CD are equal and parallel. It is given. And AC and BD are joined. This is given in question. We have to prove here AC and BD are also equal and parallel. AC and BD are equal and parallel. Instruction. Join either AD or BC. Now after this, let's join AC or BC. Now here A, B, C, D. B and C are joined. In A, B, C, D quadrilateral, B and C are joined. So we can get two triangles here. One is A, B, C, another is B, C, D. two triangles are here in triangle ABC and in triangle BDC. Let's prove them congruent first. AB and CD are given equal. This is side. Its reason is given. Now, since these two lines are parallel, angle B and angle C are equal. Angle this BABC and BCD. Angle ABC and angle BCD. Angle BCD are equal. Okay, AB and CD are equal because it is given. Now, it angle B and angle C are equal because alternate angle A. Now, in third, we can write BC and BC because they are common side. It is they are equal because they are common side. Now, since they by this side angle side, we can write they are congruent. Yes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BCD. BCD. Reason is side angle side SAS axiom. If is it so, if these two triangles are congruent, if ABC and BCD are congruent, we can write AC and BD equal because corresponding side of congruent triangle are equal. AC and BD are equal because reason is being corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Okay, AC and BD. Now parallel you have to prove. To prove parallel, now we can write this angle and this angle are also equal. Angle ACB and CBD. Angle ACB is also equals to CBE. C angle CBD. Reason is corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Now, if ACB and CBD, angle ACB and CBD are equal, then we can write AC and BD are parallel. AC parallel to BD. Because alternate angles are equal. Being alternate angles are equal. Okay, you can see here triangle ABC and BCD, where AB and CD are given equal and parallel. So angle B and angle C are equal. So BC and BC, so side angle side axiom, they are congruent. After proving congruent AC and BD, directly we can write equal. Similarly, angle ACB and CBD are also equal. So alternate angles are equal, and then we can write they are parallel as well. It should be triangle ABC and triangle BDC here. Triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Triangle triangle ABC and triangle BCD. Okay, now next, theorem 6. Two lines are here, AB and CD. Both are parallel and equal as well. Both are parallel and equal as well. Okay. Iterate line segment that joins the end of two equal and parallel lines segment toward the opposite side bisect each other. Here, they bisect each other at O. You have to prove these two lines bisect each other at O. It means AO and BO. AO and OD equal, CO and OB are equal. In triangle AOB and COD. Two triangle are here, AOB and COD. AOB and COD. And triangle AOB and COD. Let's prove they are congruent first. Sujal Shah, why are you writing that? Now, here we can write angle ABO and OCD equal ABO and OCD because alternate. ABO equals to angle OCD because of angle reason is being alternate angle. Second, we can write AB and CD equal, which is given. AB is equals to CD. It is given here. Next, BAO and ODC. Angle BAO equals to angle ODC. ODC. BAO and ODC are equal. Reason is alternate angle here also being alternate angles. Now, after proving that congruent, let's write they are congruent. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Reason is by which axiom? ASS axiom. Sorry, this is angle ASA axiom. ASS axiom is not there. Sorry. By ASA axiom. After getting congruent, we can write AO equals to OB and BO is equals to OC, because corresponding side of congruent triangle are equal. Being corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle are equal. That is why. Now we can also write AD and BC bisect each other. AD and BC bisect each other at O. Reason is from statement 3, because AO and BO are equal. Similarly, BO and OC are equal. Okay, first of all, take two lines equal and parallel, AB and CD. Now join them opposite side. Previously we joined same side. Now here opposite sides, BC and AD. Prove them congruent. For that, this angle B, and angle C equal, alternate angle. AB and CD given equal. Next, angle A and angle D also equal. So by ASA axiom they are congruent, and if they are congruent, corresponding sides are equal.